All right, here's a 2-second tutorial on automation in Ableton Live. Here's a project I have going. Let's say I wanted to automate this for some reason, the impact sub, and I want to automate this clip here. Now let's say, so I'm on impact sub. Let's say I wanted to automate this utility and the gain on it. All I do is right click, show automation, highlight the section I want to automate. Then I'm going to hold shift so that it highlights blue like that. Change it to where I want it to go, and then I don't want it to be a box, so what I'm going to do is get rid of this corner, and now the automation makes it so that the volume gets louder over time. The only thing else is if I want to make it sort of bendy looking, I can click Option on my Mac. I don't know what it is on a PC, and I can click and drag, make it either bendy that way or whatever you want. And then you're good. If for some reason you want to mess with it, but you're afraid of messing with the clip, what you can do is hit this plus sign. Now it's the automation's in a new lane. What's cool here is you can highlight the automation, copy it, and then maybe say go to another section and paste it onto there. And it doesn't take one clip and paste it on top of the other. It just changes the automation in that space. So for example, I could add the automation here, or whatever. So that is a handy little trick if you want to change the automation or copy and paste automation without messing up your clips. That's basically it. Hopefully that helps. That's what I've done for years. Yeah, it's worked beauty for me, so good luck.